Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this door jamb. But first you have to, of course, cut out the notches so that when you slide the wood in, it'll fit under there nicely. But the way you do it is you lock these two together, the piece just before whatever you're going to slide underneath, and then you have to trim down, which is there's a little lip here, and you have to trim this off, and basically you cut it down like this. It trims off just the very edge, because what we're going to do is slide this down. After I put a little bead of glue under there, slide it up underneath and tap it back in. So this is how we do that. I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on there. And I mean just a little bit of glue. You don't need a lot of glue. It's just replacing the little nib that's on there that we shaved off. Take this, I'll line it up with my end down here. I'm going to start sliding this right through here. Now that it's in, it should be tight up against the edge, because once you force it in, then you'll have the space that you need for like the 1/8 of an inch or 1/4 inch that you need for your specific laminate. So then we're going to take our bar. I'm just going to put my foot down on it. And it's starting to close in. Now it's all coming together. It's really tight. Keep moving down. And that's it. So now you have the gap that you need. It's all undercut. And basically the second row down is glued now. Instead of just gluing this little edge, it doesn't have as much strength, so you glue it in there, you're good to go. And that's how you do it.